Hi guys, how is everyone? Look, today I'm cooking prawns, so I got a bit of coriander, that's for the last toss-in. I got prawns there, I've got onion and garlic, and I've got, in that little bowl, I've got Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire whatever, yeah, and a bit of soy sauce in this little bowl here, and I'm going to cook it in this oil, okay guys? So, let's start. Yeah, listen out guys. Wait, not that much of a pisi. Oh, calapipero. Yeah, okay. Shh. Stop talking. Let's get this going. Anyway, guys, I'll bring it over here a bit next to me. Even though I'm sort of miles away from it. Yeah, well. Anyway. Garlic, then, right, I wanted it sizzling a bit more than that, but never mind. This is if I can be yeah. Okay, guys, but never mind. Maka main beer. Get your one. Well, it ain't. Anyway, guys. Wow, it's supposed to be sizzling, but it didn't. Shame. Yeah. Okay. Just let it cook for a bit, okay? And then when it's nice and sort of brown and smelling all beautiful, yeah, add a lot of milk there. Oh, prawn. Made on. Okay. La 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 la. See if I can wait on. And then we'll get back. I know it seems like a lot of oil, but trust me, guys, it's not a lot. Okay? Because after a while, the prawns will, you know, like suck it all up, and then it just like you got a little sauce to go with it. Yeah, yeah. So, palugo mai e ka kuka le fai. Awale amu ka kuka wai lo. Yeah, okay. Won't be long. See, inga nang yang. Just I like it. Okay. Yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna put the prawns in, guys, because you know what? You don't want to overburn the garlic, because then it's got that bitter flavour that you don't need. Wailua. So put all the prawns in there. Alright, uma chef Ramsay le mea re whai aku I. Yeah. Waku lo prawns pa pea. Alright. Thank you, love the mea. Oh la la. Yeah. Chef. Master Chef vale mea re whai aku I. Soli. Oka. Oile paper Master Chef there. Cool. Oh, great. Yeah, wow. Ola over le kumo le fly. Yeah. Le koe pe, pa kumo I pe. Kele akako prawns. Yeah. Kele koi ia prawns ai. Yeah. See. Okay, roll the sauce there. Yeah. And then there's Worcestershire sauce and a bit of soy sauce in there. And you know, pour it over slowly. So the Worcestershire sauce is a bit like, you know, it's got that bit of flavour, so you don't really want so much of it. So you just toss it in just to warm the prawns, because the onion is now cooked. Yeah, just toss it around. Yeah. Yeah, you don't want to overcook it though. It's already cooked, the prawns. So you just want to warm it through, and it's already, you know, that sauce is going to be, you know, ever with it. And guess what, guys? That's all you need to do. A bakulole handful of coriander. Put it all over it. Say the poppy puka le whaari aku, okay? Yeah, and then you chuck that on top. Wait on. And then whakari. With the salt. And then you just put a little bit of salt over it. Free salt. It looks like a lot of salt. Anyway, guys, this is all to it. And I don't know, you will foggy the glasses or the milk. And you know down the bottom, guys, hello. Yeah, then down the bottom we'll have that sauce. You know, you pour it over it. Yeah, ngana ia pork your auntie. Yeah, ka meat lungale lau lau when we have our mukbang, okay guys? But that's how you do this this prawn thingamajig. Okay? Goodbye. Hang on. Yeah. See you on the mukbang table. Okay, today's mukbang is about the prawns that I made earlier. And I got corn and potatoes. Here, have a look. And in front of me here, I have, you know, the Thousand Island sauce. And I put just a little squeeze of that sriracha, you know, that chili sauce. Sriracha, Sriracha. I never mind. Don't think about it. It just make me go on and think. Anyway, guys, so if you go to see my drink, yeah. So if you go to the Mount Druitt, you can get you some. It's right down there, the escalator. If you guys already know that, that's where it is, guys. Yeah. If you notice, I'm wearing black today, and underneath it, I got my name, Faye Vids. Put on the sweatshirt I'm wearing. Yeah. I know. Because I think, I want to put my name on my offals too. My channel. Yeah. Anyway, guys. Anyway, guys. Corn, potatoes, and prawns. That dog again. That dog needs oh, look at this big one, guys. Yeah. I cooked this earlier. I showed you guys how I did it. Anyway. Look, dog. Yeah, I know you're not a wolf. So, ma nia nia. Ma nia nia. Anyway, guys, how you guys been, huh? Yeah, I felt like prawns this morning. So, there you guys go. Anyway, if you cook it like the way I showed you, it's tasty, trust me. You know, don't be shy of putting enough oil, because it mixes it and makes a little sauce for the prawns. I know people ask me what's my recipe, but I tell you what, I don't measure it. I just bang, 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 boom, bang. Yeah. Anyway, so it's pretty hot, this potato and the corn. So if you see me getting burnt, laugh quietly, okay? Don't laugh loud. Yeah. Have a bite of this hot potato. So when you get burnt, I'm laughing quietly. Nice. Remember I told you that I used to love freshly boiled potato and tomato sauce. As a child, I loved it. Hot. How about? Oh, see? Just all the onions, the whole onion that I fried. Yeah. So if you fry the onion first, I tell you what. You fry the onion first, not together with the garlic. You fry the onion first. Okay, guys? And then let the onion go brown a little bit before you chuck in the garlic, and then you fry the garlic. Then you chuck in the prawns, you know, toss it a little bit. And then, you know, the Worcestershire sauce and the soy sauce mixture that you've done put together. It's up to you if you want to use salt and pepper, but I put a bit of salt. Hey, what's this? But the sauce that you cooked with them, it's good. So if you put a lot of sauce, Worcestershire sauce and garlic sauce, it'll be beautiful. But I didn't want to make too much sauce because I wanted to use this. Because I put that laga on me. SRIRACHA. Yeah, SRIRACHA. Woo! What was I saying before? Chinlata? So good, guys. Anyway, you know how I boil my corn? Boiling hot water. You get your boil hot water. Put the corn in the pot. And you pour the hot water over the corn. Put a bit of salt, some salt in there. And you get 2 tablespoons of butter. And you put it in there. And you get about, depending on how many corns you got there. You put a half a cup or to a cup of milk. And you boil it together. That's how I did it anyway. The potatoes are nice. How's everyone been? Tell me, please. Oh yeah, I got a few shout outs today, guys. Yeah, a whole page full. I thought, oh, look at these people. Look at these nice people coming and commenting on my my videos. Oh gosh, I gotta acknowledge these people. You know? And when some other people come after, my book was already filled. So sorry guys, if I don't call you guys out, I got you guys for the next time. Man. Anyway, this is a thousand island dressing. And then you squeeze a bit of sriracha in it and you mix it. Summer hill? No. I love coriander. This way you just grab a big handful or 2, even the whole bunch, chuck it in. Makes it all yummy. I'm not a cook that measures anything. I just chuck it in the way I like it. And sometimes it's right, sometimes it's wrong. But at least I learn from it if it's wrong. Yeah. My sister Esther was telling me that he was cracking up at my Samoa dresses video. Well, I was only mucking around, guys. You know what? This potato is so good, and I only put on here 2. The corn's cooked so good. Yeah, so that's how I cook my corn. Bit of boiled water, a cup of milk, and a full tablespoon of butter, bit of salt added into the water, and Bob's your auntie. Yep. Yeah, so thank God for this food. Thank God. If it wasn't for God, yep, we're not gonna eat, guys. And God give us all this. Cheers, guys. Oh, I should have put more potato. Never mind. I never learn. Anyway. Yeah, so you think you're going to taste that Worcestershire sauce and it's going to be really, you know, fuel. But no. No, if you fry it in, you mix it in with the soy sauce and the oil, no, it makes this beautiful sauce. Try it. Try and let me know. Come and let me know how it goes. Or even better, film it. Film it and upload it. Wairua. Anyway, my mum's gone for an excursion. My poor mum. She's not talking much anymore. And anyone that knows my mum, they know she talked a lot. And told people off a lot too. You know, if she didn't see something that was wrong, you know, like if something was wrong, she'll say something. Oh gosh, that lady sometimes has no filter. But it's just the way it is. Seems to never change. But yep, dementia came along and changed that, didn't it? Stupid dementia. This is nice. This is so nice. Wait. See, if we make a lot of that Worcestershire sauce and soy sauce and oil, makes a lovely sauce. Really tasty. I'm a mess. Oh yeah. Let me tell you about this girl that printed my tops. Well, she does this part-time, right? So it'll be nice if you guys live in the Druid or whatever and you guys need something printed, you holler at her. I'll leave her name and number down the bottom. Okay, guys? And then you guys can text her, okay? Text her or call her and then ask her if you guys can bring your stuff. And then she'll give you the appropriate prices for her work. Yeah. Sick, yeah, mate. Yeah, so there's still. Well, my sister done, Esther, from Melbourne. She called my niece, who's in Waka, and then my sister calls this girl, or mails this girl, and I'll do it. Got a picture, a triangle, but I got there. I got there, and I wrote it down, and I'm very, very happy. Whawhete lava to my niece, to my sister, to the girl that printed it, and thank you to God. Oh, nice, nice taro drink. Very good. Very good. You're probably wondering why is he sucking the thing out of the and I think, no, because one time, I tell you, one time I went and bought some prawns, right? Don't want to tell you if it was here in Australia or in New Zealand. And, right, this what happened. I was enjoying it, and there was one prawn that I went, and it was, you know, like it was off. It must have been an accident for that prawn to be among all the good ones. And I went, and it was so off. It was, I vomited. I did, sorry. I never want to have that experience again. I mean, probably, this is an accident because everything else was nice, except that one. You know what? I'm so glad growing up that my mum always liked to feed me with seafood, because my dad, he's allergic to prawns, crayfish and stuff like that. My poor father, one time was a bit hungry for prawns, and then he, you know, went and sat with my uncle on the table, and he had a couple. His face nearly doubled up. My poor father. Oh, poor thing. Yeah. But he just wanted to, you know, be with my uncle so they can eat together. And he really wanted some. And he knew you can't touch it. You know, there's some can touch this. No. My poor daddy. He went to touch it. My last bit of potato. Oh. Ôi, nó bạc quầy đồ mà. I forgot about the shout out. What? Look at all my bones, guys. Okay. I done heaps today. I was meant to bring a packet of wipes so I can wipe my hands. Oh, smell. Smells nice, right? See, my cooker, my hand moving. You know. Try it. Oh, delicious. My food today is so lovely. This is lovely, corn is lovely, potato. Oh, hey, little bit of potato. Anyway, the bomb diggity, guys. Shout out time, guys. Who likes my Faye Vids? Awful. Me. Me. So thank you to the girl that done it. Anyway, guys, here it goes. Okay. So the first shout out is to Barbara Josefa, and then Ruben Matai, and then Buasetu Ngasu, and then Our Journey, I watched it the other day, and boy, I like it. Good looking couple, guys. Go and have a watch of their video. Please subscribe to their channel. They don't have much contents right now, but I'm sure if you guys show them some love and subscribe to their channel, they're going to be motivated to do more. Wait, Lord. Okay, so Our Journey, keep it up, guys. You guys are doing good, and plus, good looking couple, so it's easy to watch because, you know, I like looking at good looking couples. Yeah. And then Adrian Tupe, thank you guys for commenting on my channel. And Brooklyn Ormsby, I used to go with I used to go to school with a person named Ormsby back in back on the days in New Zealand. Okay, Brooklyn Ormsby, Christine Brown, Thank you, Christine Brown, for stopping by. All of you guys that's shouting out. And then there's Julia Tuiloma. Thank you, Julia Tuiloma. And Phyllis Lils. Thank you so much. Rona Mose. Hi, Rona Mose. And Brizzy Baby. Brizzy Baby. When I was writing that, Brizzy Baby. Yeah. You know, I was pretending how to say the name. Brizzy Baby. Yeah, baby. You know. Anyway. Man, I can talk, eh? And Lenny Guzman. Lenny Guzman. I need to say Gunsman. Oh, my gosh. You know, did you see when I said it? Lenny Guzman. Like, I've got a gun ready. Like, right. Anyway, sorry about that. Lenny Guzman. And last but not least, this person that said shout out for you. That's Miriam Punny. Miriam Punny, thank you so much for always dropping by. I see you guys commenting, a lot of people, a lot of Polytube channels. So you guys are great. You guys are great because you guys are obviously showing support for each other, you know, for our channels. And I appreciate that. Thank you very much. For me and my nice t-shirt, my jumper. Oh, look at it. I'll stand up a little bit. Fine. Nah. I know. I know. And it even has my star. You know when it says, welcome to Faye Vids? That's what the poor lady tried to do for me. Yeah. Well, it's my sister's idea, but I like it. Okay, guys. I'm talking too much. This is quite a bit of a long video. Thank you for always watching, guys. I appreciate it. Thank God for us. You know what? I always think we're so lucky, eh? We're so fortunate, you know, that God give us a, you know, like life, good life, food, you know, happiness. And, you know, I tell you guys, if someone comes in your life and then they start putting negativity in it, just ignore it. Shut the ears, shut the eyes, shut the mouth. Just shut them out. You know, we don't need it. You don't need it. I don't need it. That dog don't need it that's howling out there. We just don't need it. Have to try and stay positive, try and stay happy. Sometimes I tell you what, I have anger issues, but I try. I just remember, try and slow down, woman. You're an old lady. Who said that? Who? Well, you guys know I'm only 21. I only turned 22 the other day. Okay, stop it. Whawhaka, yale o mai, makamaka support mai. You guys are champions. Praise God for having good people around, eh? Whawhatai lava. And you know what? If anyone needs your help, just make sure they're not using you. But if they need your help, genuinely need your help, don't be shy. Wailoa. Because I tell you what, God fulfills, you know. You give with one hand. But I tell you what, my mum, right? My mum, I learned a valuable lesson. One time I did something, right? And then I told her something about it. I said, you know, I gave blah, blah, something. And, you know, they look like they don't even appreciate it. You know, I don't like that. And then my mom said, listen, if you're going to do it, leave it. Just do it. You know, ale whai mare loko, e le ale aunga. Ale whai mare alofa, le whai mare loko, le ale aunga. And that is so true. Don't do anything and then you talk about it. It's no good. That's what my mum always says. That's why when my husband does something and then he starts, you know, like when he sees something that he doesn't like and say something and I go, shush, shh. Remember what my mum said. If you talk about it, it's no good. Don't. Give it with your hearts. Okay? Oh, look at me and my pretty. Oh. Ia whāsau fua. Bye, guys. Shh, don't you ever do that to me again when people are looking. Shh.